Good day, all pet mothers. Today we're going to talk about how to care, maintain, and how to use our scissor for dog grooming properly. We have here straight scissors, curved scissors, and a thinner. Okay. So what we need to do first is to make sure that there are no coat that stuck in our scissors. Okay, be careful because the sharp edges might cut our fingers. So let us be cautious. Okay, because the dirt will affect the performance of our scissors. Okay, if our scissors are very dirty, we can wash it with liquid detergent, liquid dishwashing soap. Okay, and put it in a stainless bowl and soak it with hot water, boiling water. Okay, and after that we rinse it, and then we wipe it with dry tissue, and then after we dry it like this, then we're going to spray it with alcohol. Okay, so as a disinfection for our tissue, our scissors. Okay, okay, use another one, then we wipe it. Then be careful of the sharp edges because it might cut our skin. We sanitize it so that the germs will not be transferred to our next dog when we groom it. Okay, always sanitize our scissors, comb, and others when grooming our dog. Okay, okay. And then we're going to use this all-purpose oil. This oil is used for sewing machine. We put oil so that the scissors will not be stressed from metal to metal. Okay, and it will give us more convenience when we are using the scissors with oil. Okay, we will not get tired easily. remove excess oil. And then make sure that when we use our scissor, we will not have accident dropping our scissors on the floor, okay, because it will affect the performance of our scissors, okay. And then when we are using this for grooming, make sure that that is only the sole purpose of our scissors, because if we use this scissor for cutting plastics, for cutting cardboard or papers, or cutting plants, then the performance of our scissors will be greatly affected, okay. So now I'm going to teach you how to hold the scissors properly. I will get a dog. We have a model dog here. The positions of our finger in our scissor is like this. The ring finger is in the hole of the scissors, and this little pinky finger is here, okay. And of course this one is in the thumb finger, okay. So this thumb finger is the only one that is moving, okay. So we can adjust the scissors okay, like that. It's okay, okay, because it's too tight, it's not good for us, okay. So when we're using the scissors, especially on the legs area, we position the scissors like this, going down, okay, going down like that, okay, going down like that, okay, not like this, okay, because the cut will not be uniform, okay. And never use the scissors like this, okay, because we will not have a good result if we do like scissoring like that, okay. So just relax and then like that, okay, okay. And also if the dog is moving, we use our other hand to assist us to maintain the dog safety away from the scissors. So we do like that, okay, especially if the dog is moving, okay. If then in this area we hold this one like that, then okay, okay, we put the dog closer to our body so that the dog will feel comfortable, okay. If we start grooming our dog at a very young age, the dog will be used to it and will not feel that grooming our dog is very bad for them. Okay, so I hope you learned something from our video for today. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share our video to others. And also, please subscribe to our channel at All Pet Matters. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.